Welcome to the homepage of the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller's Spending in the Sunshine site. Let's explore the Spending Transparency navigation. Navigate to the top bar and click on Spending Transparency and then select Payroll Expenses. This section provides details on employees' salaries and gross earnings before deductions and taxes. The categories range by job title, ranging from current calendar year to date and the previous 5 fiscal years for the Board of County Commissioners and the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller. There are a few visualizations for quick information such as total payroll expenses, agency expenses, and pay category. In the below set of graphs, information is displayed showing the average salary per range of employees, regular and overtime pay, and salaries by the number of employees. Hovering the mouse over these graphs will also give additional information. As you scroll down to the next section, it provides a list of employee details as selected in the above agency and fiscal year. Columns display information by employee name, job title, department, annual base salary, and gross earning year to date. Each column can be searched to narrow a result. The annual base salary and gross earnings year-to-date columns can also be searched by entering criteria in either of the search fields below the column headings. Search criteria operators include symbols for greater than, less than, and equals. When using these operators, type the symbol and then the value without a space between them. For example, type greater than 50,000 or less than 60,000 or equal to 55,000. You can also search for a range of values using between value 1 and value 2. For example, type between 50,000 and 100,000. If there are multiple pages, select the next set at the bottom of the Employee Details section. A report is available to export or print on the top right-hand side. Data used in this video is for example only and may not reflect actual expenditures.